Your child is coughing a lot and won't stop for anything. So this video is for you. So pay attention. I'll teach you the home remedy to end the cough. To start, I'm going to need an orange. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to need to remove the orange core, making a small hole. It's a simple tip you'll thank me for. Your kids will be cough-free in minutes. Orange has great benefits such as strengthens the immune system, prevents anemia, protects against cardiovascular diseases, helps control blood sugar and controls high blood pressure. Done that in the orange, let's take it to the fire. That's right. Come with me. I put the orange on the fire. You will turn on the low heat so you don't burn the orange. Keep an eye out so you don't get too much. What happens, friends? This is an ancient home remedy passed down from generation to generation. It really works. Your cough ends today with it. Now I'm going to add a pinch of salt. If you're a child, put less salt. Then I'm going to add turmeric. Turmeric has great benefits. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. I'll add half a teaspoon if it's a child. Put a little less. Do you know someone who needs this medicine? Tag her here to watch this video. She'll really like it. Now I'm going to leave it here in the fire for a few minutes. This tip is super quick. Take the lid and cover the orange. This wonderful tip is excellent for sore throats. Do this, you will thank me. Saffron has many health benefits, namely anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antibacterial, and digestive action. Therefore, the plant offers several benefits such as improving digestion, fighting colds and flu, helping to regulate intestinal flora and cholesterol, strengthening immunity, among others. For you who have asthma, bronchitis, rhinitis, and sinusitis, this will treat all of them, helping a lot to reduce. The fusion of these two ingredients will be useful. Now I'm going to take the orange. I'm going to add honey to taste. Honey is excellent for reducing the flu. The salt helps to reduce mucus and mucus in the back of the throat, relieving the cough in minutes. Did you like this tip? Don't forget to leave your rating for this video. It will help me a lot. This is our video for today. Thanks for watching this far. Until the next video, kisses and stay with God.